Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, hopefully. This week we are taking a step back in time for the first video of the new year. We are making Parkin. I believe that's how you say it. Sorry for the weird noises. I prepared all of this yesterday, and then my microphone wasn't working. So I prepared everything, and then I couldn't make a video. Anyway, this is a Paul Hollywood video recipe from his Paul Hollywood's bread, which technically it's not his bread, it's a recipe that he is converted and then claimed as his own. But you know, each your own. Now, a couple of months ago, spoke about doing another treacle recipe. Finally found one. Soft treacle parkin. Now, we want to start off by greasing a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter pan, or you can line it with greaseproof paper. And then put the treacle, the butter, and the sugar in a saucepan over low heat till the butter has melted. Now we want 200 grams of treacle, we want 140 grams of butter, and we want 120 grams of dark brown sugar. And then we want to put this over a low heat. And then we want to mix the dry ingredients together whilst that is doing that. Low heat, that one. So dry ingredients wise, we have 2 cups or 350 grams of medium oatmeal. Now, I'm not paying £5 for a bag of oatmeal, so I've paid 90p for a bag of porridge oats, and I'm going to blend it up because oatmeal is just oat flour, basically. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And 20 grams of ginger. Yeah, that was the thing. Like, it needs like half of this tub glass jar thing of ginger. Oven's smelling slightly fiery. Right, well, I'm going to blend up some porridge oats, and I will be back once that is blended. Right, we are back. I keep forgetting like how low the camera view is because you don't really see past that. So we have our loud noises. Now still quite coarse. I guess it's like medium, so I don't want to blend it to like a flour consistency. So there's a good mix in there. But it wants me to add in 20 grams of ginger. Now that is a lot of ginger. Yeah, it's 21 grams. Right, okay, well I'm slightly over on the ginger. Now, because there is a fair amount of ginger, I'm gonna try and get that. There we go. That is 20.09 grams of ginger. Which, yeah, about half of the ginger in that. So, yeah. Right, and then to that we want 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So that is going to be our raising agent, as we are going to be using apple cider vinegar. Now, the original recipe, which stated here, the original recipe uses gooseberry vinegar. Now, I know there are various vinegars out on the market these days, but I'm not sure gooseberry vinegar is quite as popular as it may have used to have been. So we will take the apple cider vinegar for this one. Right, we want to give that a quick blitz. Nice uniform colour. You can really taste the fizziness of the bicarbonate soda. Right, we are back. Hopefully the microphone is still recording properly. Right, heat is off. That is good. we have our melted treacle sugar. Actually, to be fair, the sugars. Well, the sugar has kind of dissolved. There we go. Right. Then, pour the mixture into. Nope. One step ahead. Mix the dry ingredients together in a large bowl, then pour in the warm syrup mixture. Stir until thoroughly combined. Finally, stir in the eggs and the vinegar. Right, well, we're doing this the opposite way, and we're getting this into that. Once again, saves on washing up. I don't think that's warm enough for eggs to scramble. Like that's it's warm. I can touch the pan. Let's add in the vinegar. That's 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, 2 stirred eggs, or lightly whisked eggs, shall I say? Is it? Pour the mixture into a prepared baking tin. Cover loosely. Leave to stand for 30 minutes. Allow the bicarbonate of soda to start work. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 150. Okay, we are back. Hopefully, once again, USB microphone is recording. Ooh. Right, we've got. Don't know if you can see it too well. It's still quite warm after half an hour. That's good. It is firmed up slightly, and there's a lot of bubble development on the surface, which means the baking soda, or bicarbonate soda, that one, the one that I added in, is doing its job. So we just want to place this in the oven on the middle shelf for an hour now. Right, time to remove the Treacle Parkin from the oven. Now it's been in for just over an hour. Oh, it has dipped in the middle quite considerably. But it has come away from the side of the pan. Oh, it smells good. Right, now we need to let this cool down, right? I think that's plenty cooked enough. Corey is currently hiding behind my dehydrator, staring at me talking to myself. Right, yeah, leave Parkin to cool in a tin, turn out, wrap in greaseproof paper, store in a tin. It improves with keeping. Now, where is my big knife? There she be. I mean, that middle bit's really crumbly. Ooh. Ooh. Now, like, I get it with, like, dry, ground ginger. Sometimes, like, the gingeriness is lost, but it actually shines through quite well in this. Maybe because in this thing there is 20 grams of powdered ginger. Oh, that's good. Where have you been? Apart from in 1835. But anyway, that wraps up this week's video. As always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like in the comment. If you are indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. And I will see you all again next time. Thanks for watching. Where have you been? You are covered in cobwebs.